So many flavors in here. It's sweet from the hoisin and the brown sugar. You get a little bit of salt from the soy sauce. Just a tiny bit of heat from the chili flakes. Hello, OFT family. On this week's Quick and Easy, I am making Mongolian beef with ramen. So let's get started. I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We are going to brown the ground beef. And then once it gets browned, we'll be adding a sauce to it. Stay tuned. All right, folks, we are back. Our meat has browned. So to this, we are going to add some minced garlic. I'm just going to pop a couple of these cubes in here that are minced garlic, maybe. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas, folks. All right, 2 cloves of minced garlic. And then we're going to mix up our sauce. So we got about 3/4 cup of soy sauce. Okay. We've got a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We've got 2 tablespoons of hoisin. That's 1 heaping tablespoon, so we'll just cut back on this next one. There we go. Maybe. All right. Now we have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay. A little bit of ginger. I'm using the ginger paste, but if you have fresh ginger, you could just grate that in. Just a squirt or 2. Then we're going to add some chili flakes. And a little bit of sesame oil, just a drop. That stuff goes a long way. We are going to whisk this up. And we're going to pour it over our beef mixture. And let that simmer while the ramen cooks. And then I'll be back for the next step. All right, it's time for my ramen to go in. So I'm going to boil off my ramen. That should take about 3 minutes to boil the ramen. And then I'm going to take about 1.5 cups of this pasta water and add it to my beef mixture. And then we'll be ready to eat. See you in a minute. We are back with our Mongolian beef with ramen. You see that in the bowl? I'm going to add some sesame seeds. And then we're going to give her a toss and taste it. It smells really good in here. It smells like a Korean restaurant. Do you see that? All right.
Why are we whispering?
Because I'm enjoying my ramen and my Mongolian beef. Oh, do you see that? That looks really good. This is definitely going to burn my face off. But
it's a perfect quick and easy dinner, folks.
Very quick and easy. I mean, I think it took longer for the water to boil for the ramen than it did for the beef itself. So I'm not good at chopsticks, or I would show you on chopsticks, but so many flavors in here. It's sweet from the hoisin and the brown sugar. You get a little bit of salt from the soy sauce. Just a tiny bit of heat from the chili flakes. If you don't like chili flakes, you'd rather have sriracha, put sriracha in it. It's either way. This is a quick and easy meal for you guys to make for your family this week. Mongolian beef with ramen. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.